again. We're going to make plant-based milk. Again, my objective in sharing this series of video is to empower you, to let you know that to eat healthy, you do not have to become a chef. It is your choice. It is your life. It is your health. You have the power. Yes, it was a journey for me. And I took the power and I want to empower for the same. So today we're going to do almond milk. You basically start with 1 cup of raw almond, raw organic almond, or just raw almond. I buy them raw at Trader Joe's. 4 cups of water. 1 date, again, same dates from Trader Joe's, $4.99 a pound. And you blend it. I'll spare you the noise. I just did it for this video in here. The practical things to do is you first strain it. The only reason I do that is to make the final straining much more easier for you. And when you're done, do not toss what you have in here because you can make waffle with them. Then you use your cloth strainer. You strain it. See, life is easier. Here we go. Almond milk. Now, what do you do with it? You have so many options. Remember, I told you it's about pleasure. The pleasure trap. So where do you get that pleasure with your food? It's with the spices. So with that almond milk, you have so many options. You can use a dash of vanilla in it. Oh, maybe too much. You have vanilla milk. You can have, and a friend of mine just told me with one of the recipe, they use ginger and a little bit of cinnamon to make a drink. So I have some fresh ginger here. I'm going to try it to see how does it taste like. So remember, I like ginger. So if you don't like ginger, don't do it. He said a dash of cinnamon. And he said it was very soothing. He is right. Frédéric, tu as raison. C'est délicieux. With the same almond milk, you can mix it with your oat milk. Remember, we made the oat milk. Oat. You grind it with icy cold water. So here is almond oat milk. Très bien. I was getting... Don't toss the leftover. You can make waffles with it. And what I did in here just for this, I mix it with a little bit of potato starch so that it doesn't, I can have something. You can make waffles. I'll be working on some waffle recipes for you with what you do with the flour, wet flour that you get after you've blended your oat, your cashew, your almond. And voila, you have the power. You can make your own plant-based milk. And oh, by the way, it is much, much, much more cheaper to do it that way. So until next time, enjoy your almond milk or your almond oat milk with ginger, without ginger. It's your call, it's your food, whatever tastes yummy for you. Oh, vraiment délicieux. Until next time, hasta la vista.